You know, you broke his skull, dude. It's brutal. What does that feel like, man? Could you tell?
No, because I landed the jump knee. He fell face down
And just
and just covered up, but he was kicking his leg. So I felt like it must have been a bad break of the nose. But it's weird because when I watched the video back and you hear the sound, you don't hear it the same way when you're landing those shots. But when you heard the sound, I was like, it was next day that my sister sent it to me. Sent me a picture with a hole by his head. I started laughing. I was like, oh, you guys take the piss, man. I was like, she was like, nah, bro, this is not me. I didn't do anything to the picture. This is the actual. I was like, what are we talking about? She said, yeah, this is what he posted about in hospital. I was like, there's no way. It must have just been the perfect connection.